Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily hide distracting elements on any website in the Safari web browser. At first open Safari. Here, wait a moment, I need to just configure very quickly my Safari web browser. I don't know why, but it's here. Now we need to just open any website that you just want. Here, tap reader mode. Here, as you can see, tap hide distracting items. And now, if you wait a moment, here, as you can see, I do have some website, but here consent. And now we won't have any distracting objects. Here we do have hide distracting items. Select an item. This one. Wait a moment, I pardon me. It's just that I slept very small amount of time. Here's an item. Tap, hide, and that's how it works. Tap, hide, and that's it. How it helps you. And goodbye.